Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Kuta area during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali in August 2021. Let's check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today, we will drive around in Kuta area during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali 2021 August. Okay, now we are in Sahadawa Street. You see, left side and right side still look very quiet. Actually, this area is very famous for shopping area because in this area we have art market. You see right side? That is the shop still closed. Left side also closed. It's very quiet, isn't it? Okay, from Sahadawa Street we turn left and now we reach Melasti Street. So you will see how like the condition at the moment in Melasti Street. Still look also quiet. You see right side, there's a big hotel. Left side, art market, but closed. You see some trees there. Walk around. And you see the weather today is very beautiful. I mean, it's very clear. Very blue sky. Left side, there's art market. But you see, it's very quiet. Okay guys, from Melasti Street, I will turn right and then we will explore Legian Street. You see, look like empty street, isn't it? Okay, now we reach Legian Street. Still look very quiet. Okay guys, if you don't mind, if you just find this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video because I believe there is a lot of people, like more than a million people want to know the situation at the moment in Kuta area or in Bali during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali. Now we are in Ligon Street. It's very famous street in Kuta area. And usually in this area, always busy people. They do some shopping and also they go to the restaurant because in this area we have very famous restaurant like Mama San and else. It's look very quiet, isn't it? You see the right side? There's Ripco. It's open shop. But if you see on the sidewalk, it looks very empty. It's no people walk around to do some shopping. And actually in the Legian Street we have a lot of hotel, restaurant, shop and bar. But during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown, Bali is very quiet. You see the street? Look very empty, isn't it? No car, no motorbike, just very quiet. You see the left side? There's a big hotel, Legian 101. But so quiet. We hope together pandemic corona will be over as soon as possible because I believe a lot of people crying about this impact of corona. They lost the bankrupt of their business for sure because lots of people they rent the shop in the high price but already closed almost 2 years. Also me, actually I'm a driver. I was a tour driver in Bali, but during the pandemic corona I have no customer to drive in. I lost my job. It's crazy. It's very sad for Bali. That is the impact of the corona. A lot of shop closed and all the business stopped. Okay guys, now we reach the ground zero, the heart of Kuta. In this area is the first booming in 2002, and there is a monument, and there is the list, the name whose people die on the first booming in Bali on 2002. You see in this area it's very quiet. There's the gang Poppy's Land too, but empty. And left side there is VIP bar, Sky Garden, and right side there is engine room. In the night time, usually in this area always busy because the night bar and hard music around here. Unbelievable, it's very quiet. No even car, no even taxi, it's nothing. Apache left side, Paddy's Pub left side, but quiet. Our government re-extended about emergency lockdown until 16th of August. You see left side, there is some shop is open. Oh, glad to see that actually. You see left side, the shop is open. That's good. Also the shop right side, that is open. That's good. Even quiet, the people still try to get the business because they already ran the shop. Even quiet, but they still try to get the customer to buy. This at the front we call Bemo Corner, and then I will turn right to go to Raya Kuta Street. So we will explore Raya Kuta Street. Right side there is a lot of shop still closed. Ah, so sad to see that it's actually. It's very quiet. You see, so far, there's no car, no motorbike. Drive around on this area. Look very quiet. Very sad. During emergency lockdown for Bali, there is a lot tourism area they close, like beach, temple, Bali Zoo, Bali Safari Marine Park, that's closed. So that's why Bali is so quiet, even for local people. So like tourism business is just broke down at the moment. You see the front on motorbike, there is the man selling coffee or snack on motorbike. Okay, now we reach Kuta Beach. You see, Kuta Beach close. Oh, that's close. You see the right side? There is some taxi parking, waiting for the customer. Just exactly at the front, Hard Rock Cafe. This is the Hard Rock Cafe. Look very quiet and empty. And left side there is motorbike parking area, but there is empty motorbike, no motorbike parking. Actually, I gonna say like Bali getting more quiet than last month. I don't know why. We hope emergency lockdown will be really over on 16th of this month in August. So the business will be start again step by step for Bali. Left side parking area for motorbike, but still empty. It's crazy. There is no one walk on the sidewalk. When you see to the right side, there is a lot of cafe, and usually in this area always busy. During the pandemic corona and lockdown for Bali, now they just starting open their business on cafe. You see some people there, they have some drink. Yeah, but quiet. And this beach walk, actually they are open but so quiet. It's very bad business actually. And left side there is motorbike parking area, and in the left side there is Kuta Beach. It's very quiet, isn't it? Left side there is the beach, and right side there is a lot of big hotel in this area, like the Stone Hotel, Alam Kulkul, Pullman, but very quiet. On this video, I make 15-minute video without skip, so you can see how the real condition at the moment in Kuta area. Oh, there is some car parking there and motorbike. Oh, there is some activity here. Some people, some car. There is some activity. I love to see that actually. And there is the taxi parking left side from Bluebird company. There is big hotel right side. But look quiet. You see, there is no building very high in Bali. Do you know why? The reason is because we cannot make building higher than the temple century. So the building, even big hotel, just like a flat. Actually, the right side there is Pullman Hotel. And now we back to the Melati Street. Okay guys, so what do you think about Kuta area during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali in August 2021? Still look very quiet, isn't it? Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, because as I told you, there is more than a million people want to know about the condition at the moment in Bali. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.